This short video shows custom panels designed in EasyPanel Pro software being grooved and cut on the Australian-manufactured multi-cam router. For grooving, a V-tool or ball nose tool is used in conjunction with the multi-cam surface to depth system. This is to ensure a constant depth of cut into the material and compensates for any minor variations in the material thickness. If the cut is too deep, there is a risk of the material splitting when it's folded. Once the grooving process is finished, the machine automatically changes tools to cut the parts out. The application of the EasyPanel Pro software is to rapidly create machining files that enable you to process ACM sheets into fabricated panels. This industry-specific software includes a comprehensive parts library. It also gives you the ability to automatically create parametric designs of irregular shaped panels. EasyPanel then automatically generates the routing toolpath, then nests the parts on your sheets ready to route. The powerful nesting in EasyPanel Pro allows full control of panel orientation for grain alignment and has the ability to create a library of remnant sheets for later use. Once the router has finished the cutting process, the panels can be delivered on-site for installation in flat pack form or folded. Multi-cam routers are proud to be 100% made in Australia.